In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send custom notification in Salesforce using Flow Builder. We'll start right in Salesforce. From the Lightning experience, open the gear icon to access settings, then choose the option to open the full setup area. This takes you to the administrative console where we'll configure the notification type before we automate it with Flow. In Setup, use the quick find search to look for custom notifications. Select custom notifications from the results to open the feature. Here, click New to create a notification type that your flows can reference. Give it a clear name and description so admins know when to use it. Choose the delivery channels your team needs: desktop for the in-app bell notifications, and mobile if users also receive push notifications in the Salesforce mobile app. You can select one or both depending on your rollout plan. Click Next, then confirm you're creating a Salesforce notification and finish the setup. That establishes the reusable notification type we'll call from Flow. Now let's build the automation. In Setup, go to Flows and create a new record-triggered flow. Pick the object that should trigger the alert, for example, a case, opportunity, or any custom object, and decide whether it runs on create, update, or both. Set entry conditions so the flow only fires when it truly matters, like when a stage changes or a priority is escalated. This keeps notifications relevant and prevents noise. Inside the flow, you'll need the notification type ID you just created. Add a getRecords element on the custom notification type object to fetch it. Filter by a reliable field such as the developer name or name that matches your notification type, and store the id in a variable. This avoids hard coding and makes your flow easier to maintain. Next, define who should receive the message. You can reference the record owner, a specific user, or build a collection of user IDs based on your business logic. Then add the send custom notification action. Provide the notification type ID, your recipient IDs, a concise title, and a clear message body. For the target, pass the record ID so users can click straight into the item that needs attention. Use merge fields in the title and body to make the alert contextual and actionable. When everything looks good, save the flow with a descriptive name and activate it. Test by creating or updating a record that meets your criteria, and confirm the notification appears on desktop and, if enabled, on mobile. Adjust conditions, message text, or recipients as needed to fine-tune the experience.